Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, in the previous video we have learned about ratio and proportion, how we can find out the ratio of different units or things, and how we can convert the measuring units, liters into milliliters, kilogram into grams, meters into centimeters, and all the things. Now students, in this video we are going to learn about the unitary method. So let's learn with the help of examples. So here is example. Vijay wanted to gift pens. Here, this one. Vijay wanted to gift pens to 7 of her friends on her birthday. When she went to a shop to buy them, the shopkeeper told her that the rate for a dozen pens. Means the shopkeeper did not tell about the rate of one pen. He told about the dozen pen. He told about a dozen pen, means 12 number of pens. In one dozen there are how many things, how many units? In one dozen there are 12 things or 12 units. So one dozen is equal to 12 units. The rate of 12 things, 12 pens, not a single pen. So first of all you will have to find out the cost of one pen, and then we will have to find out the cost of 7 pens. So can you help Vijaya to find the cost of 7 pens? Yes, why not? If you find the cost of one pen, then you can also find the cost of 7, right? Okay, so next example. So here students, we can understand with the help of these examples. So a bunch of 15 bananas cost 45 rupees. So what is the cost of 15 bananas? The cost of 15 bananas rupees 45. Then how much will 8 bananas cost? So you'll have to find out the cost of 8 bananas. Then how we can find out the cost of 8 bananas? So first of all we will have to find out the cost of one banana. Then cost of one banana can be find out by dividing 45 by 15, because the cost is 45 rupees and how many bananas in the bunch? So there are 15 bananas. So we will have to divide 45 by 15. So divide 45 by 15. So we will get the cost of one banana. So here 3 rupees. When we will divide 45 by 15, so we will get 3. 15 threes are 45. So 3 rupees. So the cost of one banana is 3 rupees. So therefore the cost of 8 bananas will be 8 multiplied by 3. So 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24 rupees. So the cost of 8 bananas is 24 rupees. So I hope students you will understand it better. Now the next example. The next example is of flowers. A bunch of 10 flowers costs rupees 25. Means here the bunch of flowers is given, and in this bunch there are how many flowers? 10 flowers are there, and the cost of 10 flowers is rupees 25. Okay, so we will have to find out the cost of 4 flowers. To find out the cost of 4 flowers, first of all we will have to find out the cost of one flowers. Therefore the cost of one flower is equal to 25 divided by 10. Okay, the cost of how many flowers we will have to find out? We will have to find out the cost of 4 flowers. So we will have to multiply it by 4. When we will solve this problem, we will get rupees 10. So here students, if a bunch of 10 flowers, there are 10 flowers in one bunch. How many flowers? 10 flowers. And the cost of that 10 flowers is 25 rupees. So cost of 10 flowers is equal to 25 rupees. How much will 4 flowers cost? Means you will have to find out the cost of 4 flowers. So how we can solve this problem? What is the cost of 10 flowers? First of all, 25 divided by 10. So and we will have to find out the cost of how many flowers? 4 flowers. Therefore we will multiply that by 4. So when we will multiply 25 by 4, we will get 100. Okay, and then 100 is divided by 10, so we will get 10. 10 tens are 100. So our answer will be 10. So the cost of 4 flowers is 10 rupees. Here students, next example from your practice set. Here is the question. If 20 meters of cloth costs rupees 3600, so what is the cost of 20 meters cloth? The cost of 20 meters cloth 3600 rupees. Find the cost of 16 meter of cloth. So first of all you will have to find out the cost of 1 meter cloth, and then you will multiply that cost by 16, because we will have to find out the cost of 16 meter cloth. Now here how we can solve this problem? So here is the answer. Cost of 20 meter of cloth 3600 rupees. Then the cost of 1 meter of cloth 3600 divided by 20, we will get the answer 180. Then the cost of 1 meter cloth is equal to 180 rupees. So what will be the cost for the 16 meter? So the cost for the 16 meter of cloth is equal to 180 multiplied by 16. So when we will multiply 180 by 16, we will get 2880 rupees. Thus the cost of 16 meter cloth is rupees 2880. So I hope students you will understand it better. Now comes towards your homework. So problem number 2 and 3 from practice set 29 is your homework, and you will have to note down your homework in your notebook, and inshallah in the next video we will see the next topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.